AI is going to advance exponentially and become more and more integrated with everyday life. It won't replace everyone's jobs right away, but people that are good at using AI will. But there's a couple secrets to mastering ChatGPT. The first is asking it the right questions, and guess what? Perfectly crafted questions for countless topics have already been created and you can use them for yourself, Matlab style.
Click on the pop-up banner for more interesting videos.
Give ChatGPT an identity as an expert in the field you're seeking advice from. And the next factor is you need to define your objective as specifically as possible. So I'll demonstrate with an example. I'll go with something broad. Let's say I want help being healthier. Create a healthy meal plan and exercise routine for the week. And there we go, it's not bad. Now, to level that up, I'll type, you are an expert nutritionist, health coach, and personal trainer. Use your knowledge of exercise science, nutrition advice, supplements, and other relevant factors in order to create a plan suitable for me. I am a 34-year-old fit male. My goal is to lose some weight while focusing on increasing muscle mass. I would also like to optimize for longevity. Write me a meal plan and exercise routine for the week. So you can see how much better this response is with the extra protein and calories in the meal plan. And instead of mostly cardio-based workouts, it uses a lot more strength-oriented exercises. And because of the identity, it adds some additional information with the reasoning behind its choices. And in this case, being specific helped the most for obvious reasons, but you can see how drastic the change was. There's a massive list of prompts just like this for tons of scenarios. It's completely free. On to the next step, refine. ChatGPT remembers the entire conversation within each chat, so it will still be acting as that same expert, but with any additional info you may have provided. But to refine this answer, you could say, I'm lactose intolerant, or provide that in a format that includes the calories and price for the meal plan, and only use bodyweight exercises I can do at home. Then create a shopping list for me. Boom. It's already done a full exercise routine plus a meal plan with all of the ingredients I need on a shopping list, everything catered to my specific body type and goals. Depending on what the conversation's about, there are tons of follow-up prompts you can use to refine ChatGPT's answers. Some really useful ones are explain this like I'm 5 years old, compile this into an actionable list, summarize this into a tweet, write this in the perspective of a partner, a friend, make this more formal or informal, add some humor or sarcasm to this, format this as a table, as bullet points.
Remember that artificial intelligence works based upon its experience, which is a way of saying that it will keep on training itself until the desired result is achieved or someone terminates the program. It becomes an expert over time. Now, with this basic information about ChatGPT and how artificial intelligence works, let's implement it on a few examples. I had shown how to calculate sums and averages in Excel using functions and built-in commands. Click on the pop-up banner to view detailed video. Let's use ChatGPT to find out if it works as well as an expert. Let's type in, as a Microsoft Excel expert, generate a tutorial on how to calculate sum and take average. An AI generates a step-by-step process that you need to follow to achieve your target. Let's refine this by asking AI to only use functions for the said task. ChatGPT automatically refines the results. This is a leap towards talking to computers. Of course, this is a great help because the body of knowledge now is so large that no individual or even teams can be expected to undertake complex tasks quickly. You can also use ChatGPT for other software that might come to mind. For example, let's ask it to find out inverse of matrices in Matlab. And a complete set of commands appear. You can also refine the code to make it look as if you wrote these yourself or modify the code to meet your requirements. In the end, while this is a great tool, it is still just a tool. Therefore, person using it will have to look at the output carefully to determine whether the result is as desired. Also, the question posed must be carefully articulated and complete. Here's a useful tip that will surely help. Add the following to any of your requests or prompts. If needed, ask me any questions that will help you to give me a more personalized or accurate response. This was a game changer for me. Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more.